Now, I have something very happy and wonderful to tell you, but I need all family and for you to be respectfully listening. I know that this month you've all been talking about and working on showing respect. And your teachers have seen the beginning of some very good improvement. And I have also seen that. Mr. Yevsky's class, 3G, they're showing respect by waiting and raising their hand, waiting their turn, and listening to the speaker. And Zach is going to come and pick up this. Good signs of respect is second grade, 2R and 2J. And they're showing respect by beginning to greet the teacher in the morning, every class. And so, Ruben, you could please come up and accept this certificate. Yes. Ruben? Yeah. And in library, for X, they're showing respect by trying not to invade each other's personal space and privacy. And Jonathan is picking up that today. Each class. In art, by working quietly and not disturbing others. And Airman, you can come up please and accept this certificate.
You shouldn't throw it anywhere, and you should respect the library by putting the chairs back to your place where they are.
Respect is also if you take care of others people's stuff, for example, and if you walk in a straight line in the school and wait to be called on if the teacher and follow all the rules in the school.
Respect is how you treat others, how you want them to treat you.
That's it?
And play fair.
Thank you very much.